Under the Florida Constitution, we have some very unique provisions that affect homestead property. One of the issues that a lot of title companies are concerned about is whether or not your trust violates the state constitution. Well, there's an easy fix for that. Two simple steps. One, make sure that your trust is updated to reflect current Florida law. The second way to address this issue is to not put your homestead property in a trust, but instead have it paid on death to your trust using what we call a Ladybird deed. It's a simple fix if your attorney knows what they're doing.